Okay, welcome back to Enterprise Vibe Code. are my next steps to getting my app to the App Store. Oh, oops. Thank you. Thank you, Ian. Oh, right. Dang. Yeah, I kept blowing my nose and then I don't know. I just forgot about it. Thank you. But yeah, what we're working on today is I have this like small jiu-jitsu app idea where we basically kind of a coach can track what they teach their students and then like kind of see like a heat map of what they've taught um, over time. And this is like me scratching my own itch because I coach jiu-jitsu based off of vibes essentially, and kind of um, don't mind the blender downstairs. My wife's making smoothies, and because we need fiber, because we're getting older, need to take care of ourselves or something. So, um, but yeah, just kind of riding the scratch my own itch kind of thing, and can make a small app and just kind of proof of concept type of thing. Yeah. Yeah, I think I'm gonna make it like super simple and like not have all the different things. And guess from the poll, yes, cloud planning. I don't know. I'm a fan. I don't know why. Or like, I feel like all the frameworks around. Sorry, and also if you haven't noticed, we're monetized, so you may see ads. Um, I figured out how to turn it on live stream, so yeah, like the plan mode initially wasn't wasn't great, but I think over time, like the frontier model companies, agent companies, they're I think they absorb all the different like the best features from the community, and they just whatever vacuum them up. So like the two main ones are beads. Like Claude Code has its own idea of tasks, and then it uptook Claude agent teams from like this multi-agent frenzy of Gas Town. Tried using GSD for proof of concept, was good, but took me out of the flow for too much. Gotcha. Yeah. Was that the one that like Tibbs Fox keeps talking about that one? I think, right? And then other people say BMAD is the best one. So yeah, all these GSD versus BMAD versus I feel like yeah, all these like kind of planning frameworks, and then versus like whatever superpowers. I've used none of these, and I don't know. I just feel like they're the best parts are gonna get uptaken by the models themselves, right? And how or the agents around the models. So yeah, I don't know. I feel like there's I'm like super vanilla. I'm like, all right, what is the most portable way that I can do my work on my personal laptop and my work computer? Yeah, I imagine like if you're doing this, you're probably I don't know. You probably sorry. You probably want to invest the money in because like all these things like burn tokens, right? Like that's the trade-off is you're burning tokens for extra thought, extra thinking, which is like you're doing multiple passes to make sure something's right. Upgrade to 100 pound now. Nice. Yeah, I think that's unfortunately where most people are gonna land. Is like if you're a developer, you're gonna like it's like a gym membership almost. It's like a personal um, software gym membership now, where to keep up with the AI stuff, you have to like invest a little bit into yourself every year. but instead of books, it's like this $100 per month developer that you can just tell them to do whatever. And I don't know. I feel like it's the best money I've ever spent. Like the highest possible ROI that I've ever spent. Like it's the most like aligned kind of thing. Like, but besides like my college education, this might be the best professional development that I've spent money on. For a monthly training budget, it's not too bad. Like you said earlier, get paid well, so you say ROI is good. Yeah, exactly. Like if you whatever, using the $100 a month subscription, I mean I should really be like getting paid by Anthropic. really should getting like I don't know, getting sponsored, right? By like convincing developers that $100 a month is a great ROI. But I think it's pretty obvious, right? For everyone to kind of do the math on them by themselves, right? So I don't know. I feel like as a social media person now, as a monetized YouTuber, I'll let you know that I'm open for sponsorships. Wife acceptance factor is still okay. Yes, it is well within budget of what you're allowed to spend, right? All right, sorry. Let me. Let me focus. Let me get to work. I'm trying to make this Apple account for my app. I just failed the CAPTCHA. What? Why did I fail the CAPTCHA twice? What's going on here? Your account cannot be created at this time? What? How did I fail the CAPTCHA 3 times? Sorry, I'm not showing the Apple screen because it, I don't know, shows my birthday and whatever, but like... Is it because I'm reusing my phone number? Is it like... Your account cannot be created at this time. What the... Because I don't want to use my, like, I don't know, my existing Apple login. Oh, maybe it's a Safari thing. Like, because I'm using Chrome, and I know Apple is dumb about like it optimizes things just for Safari. Sorry if you guys are hearing that. That's a result of my fucking Peon ping that I installed. I think I need to restart my computer. But that crackle. I'm sorry. Like this is what I'm saying. TRX. That's right? Continue. Your account cannot be fucking created this time. Like it keeps failing on the CAPTCHA. So I don't know. That's so weird. Because I would really like to get the build over to like test flight and like do the thing, but yeah, so strange. I'm using I'm on my MacBook Pro M4. Oh, you guys can't see this. Yeah, November 2024 Apple M4 Pro. All right, so, all right, there we go. Cool. This is what I was also doing is on Roxas, I'm gonna try to have it connect. Oh, connect account buffer, and then I'll have basically buffer is gonna be my. Actually, I don't want to show my API token over there. Like I'm paying buffer every month to maintain the connections to my social media accounts, so I'm just gonna friggin' use that instead of manually making all the connections. Let's see, API. Let's use my API token. Connect account. Is this API token versus access token? Let's see. Well, it's interesting. If you guys haven't seen this, buffer, it can let you manage your content from Claude. So they must have like an MCP server or something that they've built up, which is really cool. Like they're in Cursor and all these other workflows. So, but connect any tool to the buffer MCP server. That's pretty cool. I mean, if this doesn't work, I'm just gonna do that. No need to have a whole app or whatever, but all right. So this had API error, so I'm just gonna copy paste that. And then map, okay. So just to show like what the app looks like currently. This is up on my GitHub, kind of personal site, and so like it'll suggest a class plan based on your coldest techniques, the techniques you haven't used recently, and then you can kind of guard versus fast follow on. Do I want to make this like... Hate that blue background color thing. What's the blue black background color? Is this like a common thing? Like a common vibe coded AI generated thing? Please get rid of the guard versus pass follow on field. Let's just keep track of defined techniques. Oh, okay, gotcha. Yeah, I guess not. I don't know. I'm not. I guess I haven't done enough UI work to know that this is like a common thing. Add buttons for suggested plans, you know, your domain. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, they're like I need to make it I kind of have it like this is my own personal like how I structure my class. Uh buttons for rather than text. Oh, okay, gotcha. Um I mean, the idea is that like coaches are using this so they would know what they're doing. Um, but yeah, I guess you can add techniques. They're like, I didn't even ask it to do this one, like to, but it's like, oh hey, yeah, you can add a technique if you want. Um, okay, cool. Um, thinking you're in class with a number of students with saying quick responses while in class. Like, I don't know. This is more like a just helping a coach plan. So right now my coach planning tool is a notes app, is the Apple Notes. And I think if coaches even plan at all, that's probably the standard tool. or they have like some kind of very strict structured curriculum where they intentionally rotate through like a set of techniques to go over every 3 months, like a quarterly type of schedule. I kind of want to like there is no curriculum at the place I train at, so it's more like what do I see and what do I want to cover, and I think that's like a good like balance of like if it's too structured, then there may be like areas that we go over and it's not super relevant, I guess. If people aren't seeing it and nobody like okay, so closed guard in no-gi is like a very underutilized position. People don't play it all the time. Some few people do, but it's also very people just don't see it all the time. So it's not as common of a thing, but we do need to go over it. So it's like I don't know. It depends. Like and I kind of want to keep the coaches like in the driver's seat. Like I don't want to just give them, hey, this is what you do or whatever, but like, hey, this is a suggested like template or whatever. So okay, so hopefully we're deploying here. She'll see the kids doing, usually takes a picture and spends the evening writing text. It's been thinking how I could use AI to make this easier. Okay. Student X doing this activity, need to improvements doing Y. Okay, gotcha. Yeah, I think that's the crazy thing about. I don't know. I just saw this random blurb about like kids' screen time, and if they have too much screen time early on, they like their speech is delayed or something like that. Like some crazy stat. I don't know. I don't know if I'm being a boomer and like trusting everything I see on the internet. But yeah, I can imagine like it's not good for them, right? Like they need to be interacting with the world rather than this screen or whatever. Like they've got the rest of their lives to interact with screens. But like, yeah, when you're a kid, well, okay. I was very into video games 10 to whatever till 2020-ish. Maybe 18, 19. College I got too busy, or I was too interested in partying and doing college rather than playing video games. But all right, yeah, I'm probably gonna drop off in like 30 minutes anyway, so thanks for joining, Ian. But yeah, the whole idea that AI is going to teach everybody or is going to be like a personalized tutor for kids, I don't know. I feel like that's gonna ruin us in some unforeseen way. So I feel like an AI enabled teacher would probably be better, but not an AI teacher. I feel like that may be a step too far. I think we deployed here. Connect. Hey, what's up, Bob Knoll? The vibes are going. We're trying to just use Buffer as a kind of single point of connection for social media apps. Um, I'm paying for Buffer anyway, so I may as well use it. It is getting warm in Vegas. It should be like 95 today. The high is going to be 95, which is crazy. Like we just went from winter and then like 2 weeks of like spring, and then we're, I don't know. But 95, okay. Hear me out. It's dry here. It's very dry. So 95 is kind of like a nice, like it's kind of a nice day. I don't know. Like I compared to 115, 95 is like a nice, whatever, breezy, sunny day. Yeah, or oh, okay, maybe okay. 94. 94 is the high today. Yesterday I thought it said 95, but 94. Yeah, just a nice, breezy, sunny summer day. Okay. Got married there on Fremont. Oh, congratulations. Yeah. No, it's fun. It's like there's a like yeah, Fremont Street. People think of Vegas, they think of the Strip. But yeah, downtown's very fun too. Um, and I mean a lot of people go there too, but it's like there's live music, there like free live music. There's a lot of different bars down there. Yeah, yeah. There's more to Vegas than just the glitzy, glamorous strip. All right, we have a. Okay. $15 steak and lobster. I don't know if they're doing those deals anymore, but yeah, yeah. It's they used to have some crazy deals, but yeah. But yeah, like it's crazy how like my wife and I just went to San Luis Obispo about a couple beginning of the month, I believe, something like that, and or end of the month last year or last month. I don't know, a couple weeks ago, a few weeks ago, maybe 3 weeks ago now. It's crazy that was like 3 weeks ago. So we went to my alma mater, Cal Poly. I gave a guest lecture there on AI agents, how we use them in industry, and like we so like after the presentation was done, sorry, we go out to eat and go to this nice place like on the beach, this nice like steakhouse, and I'm like, oh, what? Like we pull up, it's like valet only, and it's like feels like a, I don't know, James Bond type of thing where like you're kind of whisked away to this like, I don't know, steakhouse by the beach. It's I don't know, it just felt cool. And then we get seated and we're whatever, we get the bread bowl. Like you can tell a place by its bread bowl. Like that is the initial tell of a steakhouse. And the bread rolls were just basic rolls you could buy at the grocery store. That, it was so disappointing. It wasn't like baked in house or anything like that, or Like it was basic bread rolls, maybe even Hawaiian, nah, not even Hawaiian rolls, like just basic rolls drizzled with like a little bit of garlic. I was like, oh my gosh, we're so spoiled. like like in Vegas, that would be like, I don't know. I think that would be so embarrassing for a steakhouse in Vegas to like serve that. If it wasn't like a fresh thing that they baked that day or something. So I don't know. Like Vegas standards are just ridiculous. The food here is just unfortunately world class. like that, like we're so spoiled here. Like the rest of the meal at that San Luis Obispo place was fine. It was good, but like there's multiple. I've got 2 different steakhouses within 5 minutes of where I live. That's how crazy it is. Like I've got two local, like really good places. Like I live kind of near there's a local casino here, and then like another state. Might move to Vegas next year. Cali's expensive, food and service way better in Vegas. Oh yeah, no, I mean that's what we did. We lived in the Bay Area till 2018, and then moved January 2018. And yeah, it's been great. Like I work remotely. We could afford a house out here, and I don't know. It's been great. So, yeah, I can't say enough good thing, because like I don't have a commute. Like my commute is going to jiu-jitsu in the mornings and driving back like 20-30 minutes. Like driving back home, like that's my commute. So it's not like I'm fighting traffic for an hour driving into the city and then finding parking and whatever, right? Like it's a different way of life. It's a different pace of life. Yes, it's hot. Like wherever you live is going to have the negatives, right? You just have to kind of, it's pros, cons for what you're willing to put up with, I guess. All right, let's see. Okay. Oh. So yeah, here's like the heat map that over time I can just kind of seed it with a bunch techniques. I like, there we go. Okay, please plan how to write a test that test the heat map with a number of classes so we can see the heat map changes over time. All right, let's see. All right. Use Claude Code plan mode, 67%. Yes. If you guys haven't already, please hit the like button. Really helps the channel out. Again, oh, I'm getting sponsored. Live red screen. What the? These are so, yeah. I don't know. It's weird. Yep. At least that's something different. All right, guys. I'm gonna run. I got a meeting soon, and I got to do some stuff before then. But yeah, sorry, I jumped on too late this morning. Only, yeah, a little bit less than an hour. So thanks all for joining, and I will see you next time. Peace.